The Perfect Hoop. Wait for it. Wait. What are those? Stunning. I'm also a silver hoop wearing girly, so I had to get them in silver. Stop it. We're gonna try these on. Hang on. These are so lightweight. Get out of here. Super lightweight. These don't feel like they're pulling on my ears. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love these. I'm obsessed with these. I think these are so pretty. Let's try on the gold to compare. But look how pretty these are. Girl, even with my hair out, it's giving. Even with my hair out, it's giving. These are from the Perfect Hoop. Go and check them out. They have a lot of other really cute designs as well. I have just been eyeing these for the longest time. I also saw somebody else had like a double stack, so this one, and then they had like the silver ones back here, but it was like that, and it looked so freaking good mixing the gold and the silver. I feel like I don't want any more piercings, but I'm so happy with these. So if you want a cute pair of earrings that are more affordable, go check them out.